It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. I have a huge MODELONES haul here, okay? I got so many things. It was a sale or something that was going on, and I went on there and just showed out, okay? So I counted my acrylics, and I got 29 acrylics, okay? 29. So some of them are bigger and some of them are smaller. And for you guys, because I love y'all, I'm going to swatch every single one of them, okay? So this is all of the stuff that I got. In those little packages at the top of the video, they sent me some free gifts. They had like a promotion going on where when you got a certain amount, they added some free things in. And if you hit like another amount, they added some more free things and stuff like that. So that is where this poly gel and the slip solution came from, and those little goodies up at the top of the screen. I am going to open those little bags so that y'all can see the free items. But these are the bigger jars that I got. And I didn't think the jars were going to be that big, but I am very pleased. I think they had like a 4 for a price, and it kind of just multiplied. So I think I got 16 of the big jars. For the smaller jars, I think they were 6 for whatever price, like 6 for $15 or something like that. And I got these around Memorial Day. So these are the little jars. And some of these say for acrylic and some of them say dip and acrylic. So if you did not know, MODELONES has acrylics that you can use for the traditional acrylic method as well as the dip method. So in this little bag, some of the acrylics had spilled out, so I just took them all out and cleaned them. So here are some of the free goodies that I got. So I'm just going to take all of this out and show this to you guys. These are something that I did not know what it was. I should have read it. So I ended up using it, but I used it for the wrong thing. I thought that they were alcohol pads, but they are not. They are basically acetone pads so that you can remove your nails. And I think I'm going to do a video on how to use that. So if you guys want to see that, then like this video and let me know that you want to see me use those in the comments. So now that I have all of my acrylics cleaned and wiped off, I went ahead and set up 29 swatch sticks, okay? 29 swatch sticks so that I can swatch all of these. And this is how I swatch my acrylics. I put them on the inside of the tip, so on the underside. And I'm going to do this one by one, but for you guys, you don't have to watch me do it one by one. I am going to speed it up and just start showing you the powder and the swatch, but I did want to show you how I make my acrylic swatches. So I have all of the sticks laying at the top of the screen in order. When I put all of my swatch sticks on the ring, I put them in order by number. So if you see something that you like, I am going to call out the list of all of the numbers of the acrylics that I got so that you can pause the video and see which one you would like to get. So as of now, I have only done 3 swatches, but at the end of the video, when I put all of the swatches up, that's when you can start counting in order. So this is the list of colors that I ordered. 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 25, 28, 29, 30, 32, 42, 45, 47, 48, 49, 50, 53, 55, 57, 59, 60, 68, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89. So those are the numbers for all 29 acrylics that I ordered, and that is the order that they are laying at the top of the screen. So here I just, sped everything up. And on my swatch stick, I write the company's name and the number of the powder. I have already been using these acrylics and I have been enjoying them. The monomer that I used was from Mia's Secret. But over the weekend, I had some nail classes and I used this with some different monomers and it worked well for me. So I don't really think it matters what kind of monomer you use. I do want to eventually get some of the Model 1 monomer, but for this order, I only ordered acrylics. So doing all of these swatches definitely took me some time, but I love just watching this back so that I can just see everything. I wish it went by this fast when I was doing the swatches, but this is the last one. And here they are, all 29 of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoy swatching for some reason. more so the acrylics, just to see them kind of come to life when I flip it over. That was fun. Make sure you guys leave me some comments and let me know which one is your favorite. Here I have them all on the ring so that I can just quickly look through, or someone else can quickly look through and pick which one they want. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. These two right here I have on my nails, so you can tell I really like those. Make sure that you guys subscribe for more footage, and I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.